Hi. So I bought the brush for the vacuum to go take out the lint of the machine, the drying machine. So I got a Dyson, the old one. Attach this piece. Anyway, it says everything here in the back. Pretty well explained. It arrives in a bag like that. The tube, plastic tubing, and a brush. So what you do first, get this part attached to this part, and then you put the vacuum. There's a side, you see, you can put it, just put it in, start the machine, and up you go. So you can go really deep, like I did inside the walls with the drying machine and inside the drying machine. Now I got a top one. Amazing. You can use the brush to brush it out after, or you can use it together. But me, I got two hands only, so I did one at a different time. Strongly recommended, really useful. It's A+. Thank you for that great idea, and it's amazing. Everybody should have one to clean all the lint in the drying machine. It can cause fire, and it's really hazardous. So please buy one. It's a good one. It's perfect. Thanks.
See that? That just came from the inside of my dryer. I regularly clean the lint trap. I regularly go outside and clear the outside trap, but there's always going to be stuff stuck in there that you can't get at otherwise. So what I decided to do today in my moment of hyper focus was detach the internal housing for the lint trap and use this handy guy to get the extra dust and lint and stuff that is gumming up the works out from there. I'm using a Dyson along with this. Shark, any kind of handheld will work well, and it comes with this adapter. So basically you can use this set with a dust buster or pretty much any handheld vac. And all you're doing is putting it on the end of your crevice attachment, pop it on, and it does the job.
And guys, this thing is awesome. Look at this. We're getting all in between. You can hear the clerk steering. Awesome. Oh yeah. It is amazing.
That goes on there. And your vacuum stick goes in here. Just stiff brush. This is a year's worth of lint dust from the dryer. I highly recommend getting one of these. This is a dryer lint attachment you can attach onto your hose, and it will work getting all the way to the bottom of the lint trap, and it works wonders. It captured a whole year's worth of lint. How about that?
Before I show you this, I should say that I clean my lint trap out every single time I dry a load of clothes. But this is what that device got, along with a ton of bobby pins and a couple coins. I feel better now. Now I'm going to do the outside vent.
So I store this product just in the bottom of my dryer, and it's really easy to store, and you can see the length of it is super long, so you can really dig down deep into it, and it comes with a lot of great tools.
Look at me! It's working!